This is a typical morning in the city. 79 rise hour of the urban life. But there is a place where you can find calmness and freshness. The park. A place where you can find mind and happiness and recharge your energy. But if you take a look deeper into the nature, then you find more, and many more than you're looking for. This morning sun is so warm. This Japan miner is enjoying the moment, sunbathing. Like the other ectothermic creatures, birds use the sunlight to maintain its body temperature. It's like a morning routine before starting the day. Now the morning checklist is grooming. This coppersmith's Babette is cleaning up himself from the ecto parasite. Such a good idea to keep his health. Oops. Pooping, of course, included. Sunbird can be seen jumping over the plants, looking for nectar. Like the hummingbirds, sunbirds also has the ability to hover near the vegetation. Its long, thin, and curved beak is well adapted to suck nectar from the flower. Another bird who enjoying the morning are a couple of gray-cheeked green pigeons. But today they have a lot of things to do. To face the breeding season, they are picking and collecting twigs to build a nest. Bit hard to do. It takes time and energy. They have to prepare for their offspring. It's like their close relative, the spotted dove, also preparing for the nest together. They use a tree fork to build up a home for welcoming the next generation. There are so many species of birds living in your park. You can take care of them by taking care of your park.